In this video, I will give you a complete walkthrough of our dashboard workflow and explain how each section helps in managing business operation easily and efficiently. Here is our login page. After logging in, we will continue to dashboard. Let's start from the top section of the dashboard. Total order card shows the total number of order placed in the system. Currently, we have 423 orders recorded. New order section displays newly created order. It helps the admin quickly track recent customer activities. Confirmed order represent the orders that have been approved and are ready for the further processing. Pending orders are orders that still require action, approval or payment confirmation. Delivered orders section shows successfully delivered orders. Returned orders help track products returned by the customer. Completed orders indicate orders that have finished the full workflow successfully. Cancelled order card display orders that were cancelled during processing. Next section is our financial and inventory related information. Cash shows the currently available cash balance. Bank displays the total amount available in the bank account. Inventory amount section shows the total inventory value currently available in stock. Payables represent the amount that the business need to pay to suppliers or vendors. Next section is the need attention panel, in which inactive customers are customers who are no longer actively purchasing. Inactive stocks indicate products that are not moving or selling frequently. Quantity alerts help identify low stock or inventory related quantity issues. Expiry alert section tracks product nearly expiry dates. Let's move to next section, which is sales or receipt analytics, in which graph explanation helps us understand sale performance month by month. Total sales and receipt. Here we can see total sales and total receipt values. Monthly insights. We also have get projection and receipt projection for upcoming days. Next section is receivable section, in which total overdue amount is displayed here. Circular analytics chart visually represent overdue amount based on different times range. Future projection can also view payment projection for the next 15 days and 60 days. Now the next section is the latest 5 activities. Finally, we have the latest 5 activity section. This table helps user quickly monitor recent records. Tabs like we can switch between different tabs: sales, order, quotation, purchases, transfer, customer, supplier, production, and they all have the tables. The table displays the date and time, reference number, customer name, order status, total amount, payment status, paid amount. So this was the complete workflow overview of our dashboard. Thank you.